Would you believe it if I told you that a wife of 35 years was being prevented from seeing her husband who is in skilled nursing and also being prevented from getting information about his care for over 3 weeks? Well, if you're saying, Kevin, that's crazy that that could happen, well, I'm here to tell you that that is exactly what could happen and what is happening in a situation that we are helping our client with right now. My name is Kevin Snyder of Snyder Law, and not only do we help with estate planning, trust administration, and probate, we're also helping spouses and families deal with these dispute and issues and challenged issues when it comes to incapacity. So here we have a husband who is incapacitated. There is definite cognitive decline. He has, and is a fall risk. He went to the hospital after a fall and was discharged to a post-acute center, which many people know as a rehab. After it's the middle ground after you get discharged from the hospital before you go home, and that is also skilled nursing. So some people, unfortunately, never make it out of that skilled nursing facility because they need long-term care and they don't have an ability financially or practically to be able to have that care at home. And the assisted living is either too expensive or doesn't provide the same level of care, or again, they don't have the money to pay for it. So they stay at the skilled nursing facility. So here we have an individual who's in limbo. Essentially, he and his wife can pay for a boarding care or assisted living that had memory care capabilities, but he can't get out of skilled nursing because his wife isn't allowed to visit him, and the skilled nursing won't give his wife any information, even though not only is she his wife for 35 years, but even though she also has the power of attorney and an advanced healthcare directive that designates her as the primary agent for her husband should he be incapacitated. Now, as I often see, these documents say that we need to show that there's two independent physicians that make a decision. And in this case, the wife has both of those independent decisions in writing from neurologists. Yet the skilled nursing facility still won't allow her to see him. Why? Because this is a second marriage and his adult children are there. And mind you, they're older. He's 92, they're in their 60s. And they're there telling the skilled nursing that she is not allowed to see him because they're making up false accusations that she is stealing his money and physically abusing him when he's at home. He has cognitive decline, and they're talking in his ear, and he's parroting what they're saying. So the skilled nursing facility, interestingly, is just following what their resident is saying, and they're saying that that's all they're going to follow until a court orders them differently. So here we go. We have a very sticky situation that seems patently unfair, but the reality is that this man is being isolated in the skilled nursing facility, and we have to step in to help. So that is a situation in which elder law, an elder law attorney can help with. Not all elder law attorneys handle litigation. I have a team that does, and we are stepping in to help the wife and going to court to argue that the court should order the skilled nursing facility to allow the healthcare agent and power of attorney and wife of 35 years, all same person, to be able to have access to her husband and principal, to be able to transition him to the boarding care with memory care facilities with it, which would be a much better situation overall for the care of her husband. And so that's going to be the outcome we're looking for. Stay tuned. The situation is still being litigated, and there's not a result yet, but we'll come back and tell you how that all works out. Just wanted you to know that that is something that Snyder Law does handle that you might not be aware of. It's a natural extension of what we do in supporting our senior community. Natural extension of what we do in supporting our trustees and executors in trust administration and probate. Sometimes there's these sticky situations that we have expertise in and out of the courtroom in handling. So again, my name is Kevin Snyder of Snyder Law, and we're here to help your clients and your families best support their loved ones and achieve the outcomes, whether it be in a plan or going to court to ensure the right results happen. Thanks for listening and look forward to catching up with you soon. In the meantime, check out some of our other videos on YouTube that lets you know what it is that we're up to and what we're doing and how we best can help. In the meantime, keep being amazing.